Hello guys, so welcome to our channel, so Sir G Math TV. So ang lesson natin for this day is about the direct variation. So what is direct variation? So in direct variation, there are two quantities. So while the other quantities is increases, the other quantities also increases. So paano yun? Let's say for example, bibili ka ng hotdog. So magkano ang presyo ng hotdog? Ayan, let's say for example, ang piraso ng hotdog ay 10 pesos. So ngayon, mas marami ang bibilin mo, mas malaki yung babayaran mo. Okay, let's say for example, bumili ka ng 5, so babayad ka ng 50. So that is direct variation. Okay, another example. Magta-travel ka. Let's say for example, may isang bicycle. So travel at 12 km per hour. So kapag nag-travel siya with a speed of 12 km per hour, pag nag-travel siya in 1 hour, so makakatakbo siya ng 12 km. And then, kapag siya tumakbo ng 2 hours, so tatakbo siya ng 24 km. And then, pag tumakbo siya within 3 hours, so bali tatakbo siya ng 36 km. So, anong pinakikita dito? So, kung titingnan natin, while the other quantities is increases, the other quantities is also increases. Okay, so in direct variation, okay, let's say for example, so we have y varies directly as x. So another, so it can be written in y is directly proportional to x and y is proportional to x. So are translated mathematically as y equals kx, where k is the constant of the variation. Anong ibig ko sabihin? So lahat ng mga sinabi ko na yon, yung y varies directly as x, and then y is directly proportional to x, and y is proportional to x. So silang lahat, so pwede natin siyang i-translate mathematically as y equals kx, na kung saan yung k na to tinatawag natin na constant of variation. Ano ibig sabihin ng constant? Siya yung hindi nababago dun sa may equation o sa variation. Let's say for example, this one, so we have x varies directly as y. So if we're going to rewrite this equation into mathematical sentence, so x equals k times y, or x equals ky. So another example, a varies directly as b, so a equals kb. So another example, so c varies directly as d, so we have c equals kd. So how can we determine if the equation or variation is a direct variation? So we have the word varies directly. So makita niyo meron tayong word dyan na varies directly. So pag nakita mo yung word na varies directly, ibig sabihin direct variations yan. Okay, so let's proceed to the computation. So I will show you on how to solve direct variation. Okay, example. So y varies directly as x, and y is 28. When x equals 7, find the following. So letter A, so we have the constant of variation, and letter B, the value of y when x equals 11. Okay, so solution. So we're going to find the constant of variation. So in letter A na required. So hanapin natin. So balik tayo dun sa may given example. So sabi dito, y varies directly as x. So paano natin i-write yun? So we have y equals k x, where k is the constant of variation. So bago tayo mag-substitution, so ang gawin natin, mag-derive tayo ng formula. Since ang nawawala ay yung constant of variation. So alin ba yun? So yung letter K. So, paano natin di-derive? So, magiging y equals kx. Since yung k kasama ni x, kinakailangan k na lang matira dito. So, paano gagawin natin? Para makancel si x, so i-divide natin both side equation by x. So, makancel out yung x, so matitira ay k. Sa kabila, so we have y over x. So, we have k equals y over x. So, ito na yung ating formula na gagamitin. So, by substitution, sabi kanina, so, yun daw value ng y equals sa 28. And then, when x equals 7. So, ngayon, by substitution, so, write natin dito. So, we have k equals, so, palitan natin yung value ng y. So, which is 28. Then, yung value ng x natin, so, we have 7. So, nasusundan ba? So, magiging k equals 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So, the constant of variation is equal to 4. Okay, so let's proceed to solution B. So, nawawala naman dito. So, the value of y when x equals 11. So, ngayon, balik tayo uli doon sa may given example. So, y varies directly as x. So, pag di-write natin yan, so, y varies directly as x. So, y equals kx. Kanina, doon sa solution A, na-solve natin na ang value ng constant term o constant of variation o yung letter k is equal to 4. Ayan. So, solve na natin ngayon to. So, the value of y when x equals 11. So, mangyayari, so we have y by substitution equals kx. So, yung value ng k natin ay 4. So, palitan lang natin yung k ng 4. And then, multiply by the value of x which is 11. So, natin 11. So, y equals 4 times 11. So, is equal to 44. So, that is the final answer. Example number 2. So, y varies directly as x. And y equals 12 when x equals 4. Find the equation of variation and constant of variation. Okay, solution. Okay, so find the equation of variation. So, hinahanap natin yung equation ng variation. So, sabi rito, so, sabihin natin this is A. So, solution letter A. So, sabi ron, y varies directly as x. Ibig sabihin, katulad ng sabi natin kanina, so, y equals kx. Letter B. So, find the constant of variation. So, letter B, solution letter B. So, rewrite natin yung equation of variation. So, y equals kx. So, balik tayo sa example. Sabi, y varies directly as x. And y equals 12 when x equals 4. So, find the constant of variation. So, hinahanap natin sa letter B. Okay, since yung value ng y dito, so, y equals 12 and x equals 4. So, itong dalawang to, ipapalit natin dito sa may equation natin na nakuha. So, mangyayari, so, magiging 12 equals k multiply by 4. So, ito yung ibang way kung ayaw mo nang mag-derive pa ng formula. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dito, kinakailangan matira dito si K. So, lagi nyo tatandaan, para matira si K dyan, titingnan nyo, sino ba yung kasama ni K? So, ang kasama niya ay si 4. So, i-divide natin both equation by 4. So, para mag-cancel, so 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times K. So, we have K equals, so 12 divided by 4, so K equals 3. So, that is the final answer.